Hello everyone, we are the Aquaponics Club. Today, let's explore our club. In our club, we have home for the turtles. We have 3 big turtles and 3 small turtles. And aside from that, we planted various vegetables in our club. Like eggplants and Chinese broccoli. We also planted lots of chilies because some students really love to eat chilies, and also some of the teachers. As you can see, our chilies are ready to harvest. We harvested for about 40 to 50 pieces of chilies. Congratulations, kids! And we sold them to the teachers. And this time, it's time for transplanting chili plants. First, you need to take out the seeds from the rotten chilies and plant them again. This time, the Aquaponics Society is different from the other one. It is because we now have an English teacher. The foreign teachers sometimes teach us English about various vegetables or utensils, and we can also introduce vegetables and turtles to the teacher. The teacher seems to find this very novel. Although it is winter, for a while this time, fruits and vegetables do not grow very much, but maybe this way we can appreciate the heart in fruits and vegetables, cherish them more, and feel a sense of accomplishment every time they are harvested. Thanks for watching! We are the Aquaponics Club.